Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's been a minute. It's been a minute. It's really been a minute. I haven't vlogged in a while. I've just woke up right now. Really, I've just woken up right now. Had to work. But for only like 2 hours. I think that was like 2 hours. My eyes are all red. I haven't rested. Have not rested much. I'm going out. I'm running errands. Quick in, quick out. Then I'm good. This is Vukiswa Tembani. Please do allow me to reintroduce myself to you. I can't say I'm back. I'm back, but I've been going through it. I'm really back, and I have been going through it. As you can see, my face is very much telling of what's currently happening in my life right now. And I just want to say, this too shall pass. Okay, strong girls move. Strong girls will keep it moving. That's on period. Okay, I've just finished getting myself ready. I said I'll be running errands. So I'm getting myself ready to do that. Just washed, got myself ready. Big girls be moving. Big girls will forever be moving. So let me go. Let me go. Again, I wish I would have taken you on my journey today, but I don't want to lie. I had a hectic day. The most hectic day ever. And I don't know. Oh, guys, life is hard. Being a mother is the most hardest job ever. And I don't feel like women are being given enough credit, of especially single women. Oh no, wow. And I've realized that I have a lazy eye, but then again, Ulamla is dishing up for us. We're going to have isapa. We are going to have isapa. I don't like to cook, but good. We'll just eat whatever. That is, I'm not fussy at all. I am not a fussy person. Isn't it? Isn't it better ukuba zibe ninzi ichips kunoba zibe mbalwa? I feel like lunch mos. You're also dishing up for lunch yakho. You are. Remember kaloku. If you come back early, you are going to work. If you come back Lantuka. If I come back about 1. But 1 o'clock is already like half a day. Half day is gone. Really, half day is gone. I don't feel like sunny take up. But anyway, you need to see what was happening tomorrow. Guys, kuningi. Kuningi ya. Kuningi ya. Go with me to the salon. I'm going to the salon to do my hair. You don't want to see the kind of mess that I have on my side. I have a whole lot of mess going on here. Guys, yo, I'm at about weaves. As you can see, my hairline is hairlining, and I haven't been taking care of my hair. I don't know why. As soon as I take out the braids, I don't feel like I want to deal with my hair. You know, I'm very lazy when it comes to taking care of my hair. I'd rather someone else do it gently though, because I feel like, yo, it's a lot. Okay, let's go. Yo, hi, Kesan. Yo, hi.